I think there's someone here you build or you're building a foundation for one's energy. Could be a friend, but this is also indicating that there are also emotions and feelings right here. Might be more than friends. Oh, let us see. Might be dealing with a friend, okay, or someone here around you. Let us see. Oh, what is this? I think this is you na posibleng you're trying to avoid a situation with this person here or with this friend. Let us see why. Okay. Oh, okay. Lovers right at the heart of this reading. Okay. Yeah. So, hey there mga my loves collective. Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel, babe. So before we start your reading, reminders muna us na hindi po ito for everybody. So just pick up only the messages you think are for you. At kung feel mo ng reading na to for you, then this reading might be really for you. And of course, this is timeless as well. So maaring ito ay tapos o nangyari na sa iba. Sa iba naman nangyayari sa kasalukuyan at sa iba naman ay hindi pa. At isang prediction sa kanilang future. So, kung hindi niyo pa po knows, may pa po tayong other channel. The link is down below sa ating description box, no? Kaya kung interesado rin kayong tumambay dyan, then kita-kita tayo there. Hi and hello pala sa mga newbies or new subscribers. Ako po si Yan. Welcome. At sa mga returning viewers, thank you po sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta. So, yun yung mga babes, no? Wala tayo ditong gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome. And yeah, sa nakikita ko rito, I think this is you. You've rejected here someone. Nag-offer siya sa'yo ng love, feelings, and affection. Inoffer niya ang chalice of love niya sa'yo before. But you've rejected this person here and you remain friends. So when I say remain friends, this could be someone here na friend mo na bago pa siya umamin ng feelings for you. Or naging friend mo siya dahil pinakilala siya rito ng friend mo sa'yo dahil posibleng friend niya ito, no, na naging friend mo na rin kasi friend niya. Yan. And if that's the case, no, pwedeng nagkakilala kayo sa isang party, salo-salo, kainan, event, yan, no, kung saan may gathering of people or crowd of people. So, pwedeng sa isang concert, no, yan. So, di ba nagkakaroon tayo ng mga new friends, no, sometimes because of our closest friends, 'di ba? Kasi may mga friends rin na outside friends ng ating mga friends, no? So, pwedeng coworker mo na may friend siya dito pinakilala sa iyo at naging friend mo na rin, yan. So, this person here appears to be your friend, okay? Before siya nagkaroon ng feelings for you. So, nagkagusto siya sa iyo after meeting you and then this person here offered his or her love for you before but you've rejected him or her Knight of Cups energy to the Four of Cups energy. Why is that so? Maybe because you're not interested sa kanya or maybe because you're not available when it comes to feelings and emotions, no? Parang your heart is not into love and romantic relationship during that time. Pero more likely, pinaka nakukuha natin high potential, hindi ka lang talaga interesado sa kanya before. And because of that, hindi naman naputol ang inyong connection. Nakita ko dito na nag-uusap pa rin kayo, Eight of Wands energy. Okay? Nag-uusap pa rin kayo, you remain friends with this person here, no? Yung klase ng energy na nagcha-chat pa rin kayo, no? Nagkakaroon pa rin kayo ng communication, no? Pwedeng sometimes kwentuhan, no? Tamang usap lang dito, no? So, nakita ko dito that you are not really affectionate or having affection with this person here, no? So, nung time na yon, no, parang siya lang talaga yung nagkagusto sa'yo. Yan. So, nireject mo siya because ayaw mo siyang paasahin dito, no? Because you're not interested with this person. So, parang sinabi niyo, is it okay for us to remain friends? Yan, no? And then this person here accept that. Why? Kasi gusto ka niya, no? Ayaw niya maputol yung connection niya rito, no? Pero hindi natin maitatatwa na meron pa rin siya ritong wish or desire, no? Na secret lang. At yun ay hoping na one day, baka magustuhan mo rin siya. So, this person here agreed na maging friends kayo. Yan. Noon. Yan, no? Ano na ba nangyayari ngayon, Miss Yan? Because ang main energy mo rito, honey, is the Four of Coins energy. What's happening right at this very moment is that this is you. Mukhang meron ditong pagbabago sa energy mo towards this person here. Yan, no? So, ano ba nangyayari dyan, Miss Yan? Because with the Two of Wands energy, Three of Cups, and there's this Page of Swords, nakikita ko rito na parang ikaw ito na, teka, ano kaya kung maging more than friends kami? Yan, no? Ano kaya kung bigyan ko siya ng chance this time? Ay, nireject ko nga pala siya. Ay, mula. Parang ikaw ito na, hindi ko alam. Yan, no? Kasi the lover's energy right at the heart of this reading, look at that. The lovers in this reading of yours is a choice. A, bibigyan ko ba 'to ng go signal, magda-dive ba ako into this connection, magiging more than friends ba kami? Or B, hayaan ko na lang, hindi naman ako sure. Yan 'no? Ikaw 'to na parang hindi ka sure sa feelings and emotions mo right now because you're trying to study Page of Swords energy 'no, ano ba 'tong nararamdaman mo? Kasi baka mamaya ikaw ito na parang, confused ka lang, naguguluhan ka lang 'no, and why is that so? I'm seeing an image here of someone waiting, looking at his or her phone, glancing sa screen ng kanyang phone, waiting for notifications coming from this person right here who offered you once before, no, ang kanyang feelings and emotions, iniintay mo yung text niya, yung reply niya, no, ano ba yung mga pagbabago rito nangyari rito, no? Noon kasi casual lang ang inyong pag-uusap, no, nagkikwentuhan kayo, no, and pwedeng 15 minutes yung inyong pag-uusap, pag-chat ninyo, and after that, no, hindi ka naman yung tingin na tingin sa phone mo, no, tama lang, di ba? Yung pag may friend tayo na nag-reach out sa atin at nakapag-usap, no, tama lang, no? Pero dito, may improvement. Kung dati 15 minutes mo siyang kausap rito, ngayon 30 minutes mo na siyang kausap, no? Dati hindi ka naman gano'n kasaya kausap siya, pero ngayon tumatawa ka na, ngumingiti ka na, no? At excited ka 'pag nakakatanggap ka ng notification or 'pag nag-ring yung phone mo tapos yung name niya yung nag-pop out sa screen. So, anong ibig sabihin nun, 'di ba? This is you, okay? From the looks of this, from not interested or uninterested, you are now interested but you are confused. What's going on? Yan. Hindi kaya naku-confuse lang ako? Yan. Hindi kaya parang, ano ba 'tong iniisip ko, parang mali ito, yan 'no. Baka mamaya naguguluhan lang ako, hindi ko naiintindihan yung feelings ko, ayoko naman siyang paasahin at ayoko naman din malagay yung sarili ko sa sa isang sitwasyon na hindi pa ako gano'n kasigurado na pero you know, ang nakikita ko dito with the Four of Coins energy, this is you. Yan. You're starting to like this person here. Okay? You're starting to like this person here. And why is that so? Alam mo, kung sino man tong nireject mo noon, na nagstay kayo as friends, no? Na tinanggap niya yun, no? Na parang nung sinabi mo na Can we stay as friends? Friends lang? Yan, no? Tinanggap niya yun kasi gusto ka niya eh. And this person here, I think kaya nagbago rin yung emotions and feelings mo sa kanya kasi hindi niya pinorse or hindi niya pinilit yung sarili niya sa'yo. Yan. This person, mataas ang kanyang respect, no, sa'yo. At nirespeto niya yung desisyon mo. At saka siya to, na okay, masakit sa kanya, no, na sinabi mo na friends lang kayo, no, kahit ang gusto niya ay maging more than friends kayo. 'Di ba? Pero this person here do not want to lose you for life. This person here still wants to keep in touch with you, to hang out with you. So this person here agreed to that even though hindi yun talaga yung gusto niya. Kasi gusto niya maging more than friends kayo, no? But there's that little hope inside his or her heart, no? A greedy hope, no, na baka one day, ma-develop yung feelings mo sa kanya, magustuhan mo rin siya, and then boom! Nangyari na nga. 'Di ba? This is you. From uninterested, you are now becoming interested with this person. Little by little, may pagbabago nangyari, may progress dito, no? Alam mo, inaabangan mo yung chat, text, message, tawag niya rito. Anong tawag dun? 'Di ba? And kung talagang hindi ka interesado sa isang person, no, bakit mo naman aaksayahin ang kahit na isang minuto ng oras mo na kausap siya? 'Di ba? 'Di ba kapagka hindi natin, type ang isang person, gumagawa tayo ng excuses, "Ay, tatawagan ko pala yung boss ko kasi meron pala akong i-a-update sa kanya regarding work. Ay naku, tumawag yung mama ko." 'Yan, marami kang reasons. "Ay, hindi ako puwede," 'no, 'pag ina-ask niya tayo na mag-date, 'no. Pero dito, this is you, you are now extending your time, 'no. Imagine dati 15 minutes mo lang siyang kausap at ngayon 30 minutes, more than pa, 'no. Yung iba posibleng nighttime niyo siya kausap rito, 'no, at humahaba na hanggang madaling araw, 'di ba? Kung itutulog mo na lang 'yon, 'di ba, ibig sabihin interesado ka na sa kanya, it's just that this is you, you are parang confused, 'di ba, na parang hindi mo pa talaga as in nare-realize or in denial ka ba about this, feelings of yours because you're not yet sure kasi baka naguguluhan ka lang, 'no, or kasi baka ikaw 'to, 'no, na na yung yung iyong feelings and emotions, 'no, is hindi mo pa talaga totally maintindihan, okey? Kasi baka mamaya, 'no, iniisip mo rito, 'no, sa iyong thoughts na ikaw 'to na, "Ay, kasi lagi ko siyang kausap, kaya ganito yung feelings ko." Pero baka mamaya hindi ito love, 'no, may gano'n-gano'n ka. So, nakita ko dito that this is you, eto ang real score na nangyayari sa iyong energy. You already starting na ma-like itong person na 'to, 'no? You're starting to like this person here. You're starting to dive into this type of connection because this person here, unti-unti mo na siyang nagugustuhan. So, you're now excited 'pag tumatawag siya. You're now having that smile or that galak, 'no, sa iyong face, 'no, kapagka nakikita mo siya. Dati hindi ka naman gano'n sa kanya, 'no, so ibig sabihin nade-develop ang feelings mo for him or her. So, may resistance ka pa dito kaya nakikita ko rito na posibleng hindi mo pa talaga nare-realize na nagugustuhan mo siya. But it's okay. You do not need to rush. This person here can wait up until you give him or her answer. Pero napapansin niya na parang iba na yung kinikilos mo. Na napapansin niya na mas happy ka ngayon, no, nakausap siya, no, at syempre, eh, meron siya ditong instinct kasi nga gusto ka pa rin niya 'no, yung feelings niya nung time na ni-reject mo siya up until ngayon, walang nagbago dun. So, ibig sabihin this person here still likes you 'no, he or she 'no, same pa rin yung feelings niya for you. So, mapapansin talaga ng taong may gusto sa'yo 'no, nagugustuhan mo na siya. Siya yung unang makakapansin niyan 'no. So, siyempre happy ang kanyang heart dito sa nangyayaring improvement, pero hindi niya ito minamadali 'no. Hinahayaan niya lang ito 'no, at siya ito 'no na nagkakaroon rito ulit ng parang pag-asa sa kanyang heart 'no, na napo-fall na nga kayo sa kanya and yun nga yung nangyayari 'no. So, angels are saying, "Don't resist this connection here. Page of Wands energy, just go with the flow." Just dive into this spiritual connection, lover's card energy. Okay? So, nakita ka dito, no, na you need to let your emotions out. You need to go with the flow. Not necessarily na kailangan mo sabihin na, yeah, I'm starting to like you, blah, blah, blah. No need. No? Pag-aralan mo yung feelings mo. Okay? Huwag mong i-avoid ang iyong feelings and emotions here. Okay? Nakikita ko na maybe you're resisting right now kasi may resistance pa. But soon, nakikita ko that you're letting your emotions out. Okay? Knight of Pentacles energy, Ace of Cups, Ace of Wands right here, two aces right here symbolizes passionate new beginning. Come to this person here slowly. Yeah, come to this person here slowly. This person here do not care. Okay? Even though you want to take time or you want to have space right here, no, for you to study your own emotions and feelings for him or her, it's okay. He or she can wait for you. Yan, no? So, nakita ka dito na posibleng magkaroon sa inyo ng romantic love relationship, no, between you and this person. And I'm seeing na magiging more than friends kayo rito, no? So, this person here is not rushing you. This person here is giving you more time. Kahit gaano pa yan katagal. Okay? This person here is waiting for you. Yeah. This person here is a little bit romantic. Maybe this person here is sending you love letters. Doesn't have to be that it's the traditional love letters, but this person here could be expressing his or her love for you before nung nililigawan ka niya, no? True emotional words, yung mga sinasabi niya sa'yo na full of emotions right here. And this person here could be, someone na not necessarily hinarana ka niya, no, but I think may mga bagay siya rito na traditionally na ginawa niya, no, na nung time na nanliligaw siya sa'yo, no. And this person here is a gentleman, gentlewoman, no. So this person here is not pushing, no, na pinipilit niya yung sarili niya sa'yo rito, no, pero this person here is telling you that he or she is willing to wait no matter how how long, okay? So this person here is someone na nakikita ko no na magda-dive ka into this beautiful connection here in the future. So take time, okay? Aralin mo yung feelings and emotions mo kung di mo pa naiintindihan. Kasi mahirap din naman, no, na hindi mo naiintindihan yung sarili mo emotions and feelings, no. Pero dito kita ko, in love ka na. You're falling in love with this person here. Yeah. You're starting to have interest with this person. Your feelings are developing really slowly, but it's okay. Okay? This is you. You're confused right now, pero nakita ko na magiging clear din yan, 8 of Wands energy. Okay? So, I'm seeing that this is your angels and guides right here telling you that give this connection here a chance. And you're gonna see, yan, no, na itong person na to, no, is far different, okay, from those na mga naka-in relationship mo before. Because others of you, you could be thinking kung magiging stable ba to with the tree, okay? Parang magiging stable ba tong connection na to or not? Or is just something here na mag-e-end din soon? I might lose a friend, yan, no? May mga ganun. Pero don't think about it, okay? Because I do see na mas papunta kayo doon sa romantic relationship kesa gumuho, no, yung connection na ito. And you're gonna witness that, okay? You're gonna witness that. So yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here for you, sweetheart. Muli ako po sa yan. Thank you sa oras mo. Sarang Heyo, love and light. Annyeong!